Just take a look at this channel. It has only 12 videos, yet it's already monetized. I know what you're thinking. How is that even possible? Honestly, I was shocked too. With just 12 uploads, this channel managed to get monetized, and that's not even the craziest part. Every single video is pulling in thousands of views, and some of them have even crossed 200,000 views. So I decided to dig deeper. I checked their most viewed videos, analyzed their content, and tried to figure out exactly what they were doing differently. And after spending some time researching, I finally uncovered the complete strategy behind their success. The surprising part? They're not creating complex animations. They're not using expensive editing software. And they're definitely not spending weeks producing each video. What they're actually doing is incredibly simple. They create static images, add a little bit of animation to make them feel alive, place engaging text on the screen, and that's it. That's the entire content format. Yet this simple strategy is generating massive views and has already helped them achieve monetization. First, come to ChatGPT and simply paste the prompt that I'm going to provide in the description below. Don't worry, I'll give you everything you need. Once you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will ask you which topic you want to create a video about. Just choose any topic you like, copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and that's it. Now ChatGPT starts doing all the hard work for you. It will generate the complete narration script, voiceover script, image prompts, character prompts, and video animation prompts automatically. But here's the most important part, the character prompt. This is the secret that keeps your character looking exactly the same throughout the entire video. All you have to do is copy the character prompt and include it at the beginning of every image. Prompt. That's it. By using the same character prompt every time, you'll get a consistent character across all scenes without any extra effort. This makes creating animated videos incredibly easy, even if you're a complete beginner. No complicated software, no advanced editing skills, no difficult workflow. Just a simple copy and paste method that anyone can follow, so don't worry about the technical side. Follow the exact steps I'm showing you. Create your animated videos, stay consistent, and you could be on your way to building a channel that earns money too. Now let's move on to the next step. Now let's move to the image generation section. I know many people will comment and say, Flow AI image generation is not free. Come on, guys. You are not understanding the method. Yes, Flow AI gives limited credits, but the Nano Banana model inside Flow AI is still available to use, and that's exactly what we're using for this strategy. The process is very simple. Just copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Flow AI, but make sure you don't forget the most important part, the character prompt. This is extremely important. For every single scene and every single image, you must include the character prompt at the beginning of the image prompt. If you skip this step, your character will change from scene to scene, and the consistency of the story will be lost. The secret behind these videos is maintaining the same character throughout the entire video. Now look at the results. The image quality is amazing. The details are incredible. The images look professional, high quality, and full HD. And if you compare them with the final video, you'll notice that the same character appears in every scene, creating a smooth and engaging storytelling experience. However, I want to give you one personal recommendation. Instead of copying the exact same character that everyone else is using, make a few small changes, maybe change the cap color, hairstyle, clothing, facial features, or overall appearance slightly. The reason is simple. You want your channel to have its own identity. Creating a unique version of the character can help your content stand out and feel more original. So don't blindly copy everything. Use the strategy, but add your own touch. That way, you can enjoy the same style of content while building a channel that feels unique to you. Now, let's move on to the next step and start creating the video. Now it's finally time to create the videos and boom. Sorry for the boom, but this is honestly the most exciting part of the entire process because this is where your images finally come to life. For video generation, I use Pop Video AI. And don't worry, this is not a paid promotion or sponsorship. Nobody paid me to talk about this tool. I'm simply showing you the exact workflow that I personally use to create these videos. First, create an account using your Gmail ID. Once you sign up, you'll receive free credits to get started immediately. Now go to the video generation section. Upload the image you created earlier. Copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box. and click Generate. That's literally it. No complicated settings, no advanced editing knowledge, no animation experience required, just upload, paste, and generate. Before generating, you'll notice how many credits each video uses. Don't worry too much about that because the free credits are enough for testing and creating multiple videos. Now, while the AI is generating your videos, come back to ChatGPT and type, "Please give me the narration separately." This is a very important step. ChatGPT will instantly separate all the narration scene by scene, making it much easier to create professional voiceovers. Once you get the narration, simply copy it and move to any AI voice generator. There are dozens of free AI voice tools available online that provide daily free credits. You can use whichever tool you prefer. Personally, I use CapCut because I already have access to its voiceover features. I simply paste the narration, select a voice that matches my content style, generate the audio, and download it. The whole process takes only a few minutes. Now let's take a look at the generated videos. Honestly, the results surprised me. The character movements look natural, the animations feel smooth, the camera motion adds life to the scenes, and the overall quality looks far better than what most people would expect. From a simple AI workflow, many people ask me, why don't you just generate the voice directly inside the video tool? The answer is simple. We don't need to. Creating the voiceover separately gives us much more flexibility and control. You can choose better voices. You can adjust the speed. You can improve pronunciation. You can even switch between different voice styles depending on your audience. That's why I prefer keeping the voiceover and video generation separate. After your clips are generated, download them one by one, and here's my favorite part. You don't have to wait for one video to finish before starting another. You can generate multiple scenes and multiple videos in a single session. Just upload the images, paste the prompts, click generate, and keep repeating the process. The AI does all the hard work for you. Think about it. Traditional animation can take days or even weeks to create. But with this workflow, you're creating professional-looking animated videos in just minutes. No expensive software, no animation team, no professional editor, no complicated timeline. Editing? Just a simple copy and paste system, and that's exactly why I believe this niche has so much potential. Now look at these results one by one. The quality is impressive. The consistency is amazing. The character remains recognizable throughout the entire story. And the animations keep viewers engaged from start to finish. If you notice a watermark or logo on any generated clip, don't panic. In most cases, you can easily crop it out or remove it during the editing stage, so don't let that stop you. Once all your clips and voiceovers are ready, bring everything into your editor, sync the audio with the scenes, add subtitles if you want, export the final video, and you're done. That's it. A complete animated YouTube video created with AI in a fraction of the time that traditional animation would require. And the best part? The entire process is beginner-friendly. If you can copy and paste, you can create videos like these. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.